HP Envy Inspire 7200 to 7200e, 7900e printers, replace the ink cartridges. Replace depleted ink cartridges with genuine HP ink cartridges. Step 1. Purchase a new ink cartridge. Purchase genuine replacement cartridges from local retail stores or from HP at www.hp.com/go/suri-supply. North America, Latin America, 64 or 64XL black or color cartridge. Europe, CIS, Middle East, Africa, 303 or 303XL black or color cartridge. Asia Pacific, 804 and 804XL black or color cartridge. Step 2. Replace an ink cartridge. When an ink cartridge is depleted, print quality can become poor or the printer might stop printing black or color. Replace it with a genuine HP cartridge. Turn on the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door, and then wait until the printer is idle. Lightly press down on the depleted ink cartridge to release it, and then pull the ink cartridge out of its slot. Recycle the cartridge. Go to www.hp.com/recycle to learn more. Remove the new cartridge from its package. Hold the cartridge by its sides, and then pull the tab to remove the plastic tape. Caution: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Touching these areas can result in an ink system failure. Slide the new ink cartridge into its slot until it snaps into place. Repeat these steps for the other cartridge if necessary. Lower the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.